Good morning, everybody. I've been up stargazing this morning, and anyway, it's daybreak and just out in my world. And man, just a beautiful morning. Been raining off and on through the weekend. I've been sitting right there in that chair out in the middle of the road. Little fog over to the east, and watched the moon rise this morning, and oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. And just out in the middle of nowhere. Communication won't work out here where I'm at. And just enjoying the view. Just incredible. Listen to the birds and frogs, and there's a lake just past the tractor there, and that's the wooded view down to the little lake. Went fishing yesterday, and we've had so much rain, the water was all stained, and got a few little nibbles. Man, there's some good crappie down there, and you can catch all kinds of stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to share this beautiful place that Robin and I and Brother Two, Rayanne, have been to this weekend. We just kind of had a really neat time. This is my kind of life. This is my backyard. I've traveled all this country, and it just, wow, love it. Just wanted to share it, and just so thankful to just be able to witness a day like this. Just beautiful. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a great day, and I hope you're having fun, because I am. Everybody else is sleeping. I'm an early riser, and man, I enjoy life. It's just beautiful. Um, just beautiful. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time.